Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's select the screen where you want to add the widget, and after that, slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center. Then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, and now we can see here all the available widgets which we can add. For example, we can see that the contacts application has 3 different types of the widget, the clock 3 of them, the calendar only 2, the best friends game just 1. So for example, let's use the calendar. We can add the full month view or schedule. Just to add the widget, push click on the widget once, or also if you want to add it, you can also hold and drag it to the home screen. And just if you want to resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. We can move widgets here on the screen, just hold and drag it, or we can move it between the screens, and we can create also the new screens with the widget. And just to remove it, just hold it for a while and click here to remove icon, and confirm your action by tap here to remove again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.